Hey there, family. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I did it with that much energy, but welcome back to my channel. And by the title, you already know, I'm gonna show you how I achieve kind of like a perfect twist out. I'm gonna share this technique with you. If you want to see that, stay tuned. Also, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. You are very much appreciated here. Yo, we are almost at 10K, people. Like, what the heck happened in this last year? Like, you guys have been showing me so much love, so much support. I'm over the moon. I don't know what's happening. I'm just here for the ride. I'm grateful to you guys. And I'm not gonna talk too much. If you want to be part of this family, click the subscribe button and follow me on Insta. Instagram is growing as well. Like, I need the family to come stunned on Instagram, okay? So follow me on Instagram as well. Anyway, let's get into this. It's very hot here in Holland right now. We finally have summer. Anyway, my hair has been washed like maybe 2 days ago. And of course, in true low porosity hair fashion, it is still not really dry. But that's okay, because for my perfect twist out, I usually work on stretched hair with a little bit of heat. How do I do this? I either do it freshly out of the shower and then I use heat to blow dry it. I don't like doing that because I need a lot more heat to get it dry. Or I like doing it this way, where I left it to air dry for 2-3 days and I only blast out the rest of the heat. Does that make sense? Let's hope it does. I have 8 braids on my hair. Working one braid at a time, I unravel my braid. It is pretty juicy, moisturized, but still kind of wet. I'm gonna comb it out a little bit. Even though my hair is not fully dry yet, I'm gonna take this opportunity to add some more moisturizer to it. I'm going to use light heat, and when your hair is low porosity, that can actually be a good thing because it's opening the cuticle up so that product can get in there better. So I'm just gonna make use of that opportunity. I'm using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. After doing this, I'm going in with my Denman brush just to detangle it better. And now comes the process with the little bit of heat. I take my blow dryer on medium heat and light speed. I don't know. And then I blow dry it while I tug it so that it stretches the hair. And sometimes I can take my Denman brush and just hold it taut with the Denman brush. So when the hair is lightly stretched, I'm gonna split it into 2 sections. I blow the smaller section out a little bit more. Because I'm blow drying this section before I twist it, I feel like the hair takes the twist better because it cools off in the twist. Do you get where I'm going? Okay, so it's stretched. I'm going in for my twist out, and the product that I'm using is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. I love this stuff for wash and goes. I love this stuff overall. So we're using it for a twist out. The texture is very sticky and you do not need a lot for this. But I do want some hold, so I'm gonna take enough. Going in for the ends first and then for the majority of the hair. And I'm working it in with the Denman brush. A tip for a good twist out is you always want to make sure that your hair is smooth. So you can either do that with a detangling brush or with your fingers, but a smooth result is always better. Okay, so now I'm gonna twist. When I twist on wet hair, I usually do this technique that you see in the video now. I twist and I twirl. I don't do that when I twist on dry hair. I take some product on my finger for the roots, and I basically just do a regular twist. I just twist it over and just make sure that it's really tight. So basically what I do is I twist and I smooth the hair before twisting it. So that's basically what I do when I'm twisting my hair on dry hair. In between twisting, I'll just detangle the hair, make sure it's smooth, and then I keep on twisting. That's basically what I do, people. And the ends, I just twirl them. Can you see it? I'm wearing black, but yeah, this is the twist. The thing that'll make this the perfect braid out for me is that I do it on stretched hair that is already smooth. For low porosity, when you use heat, a little bit of heat, you open up the cuticles. Actually helps in creating shine and moisturizing the hair better. So let me just do a few more. Yeah, so this is the second part. It was already a little bit blown out. I blow it out. I add my braid out glaze. I focus on my ends, you know. I comb it out well. And then I twist, smoothing each section before I twist. And yes, that's the procedure that I use. As you can see, the hair does shrink a little bit. I'm not sure. Sometimes I just leave it to shrink. Sometimes I stretch it using the pinning method that Natural 85 does. So we'll just see what I feel like later on, because I gotta go out and it's hot, so I don't feel like tying my hair. I'll just do the rest of my hair. I'll let you watch. I'll put some cool music on so you can jam with me, and then I'll be back when I'm finished. This is me jamming on the music that I'll put for you guys. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, I'm sorry. That was such a Surinamese laugh. If you want to hear a Surinamese woman laugh, it's going to be like, ha, ha. Okay. I did the entirety of my hair. It took a while. So I'm just gonna let my hair dry in the stretch out position. I'm gonna go about my day. Don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair though. I have no idea. Anyway, I'll be back when my hair's dry. Okay, so the hair is dry. Let me just start unraveling it. So to avoid frizz, I'm going to unravel the twist in the opposite direction that I twisted it in, so that it kind of unravels itself. For the ends, I twirl them, right? So I'm gonna twirl them in the opposite direction. Boom. That gives me 2 parts, and then I'll just do the same. Twirl in the opposite direction, I get 2 parts. Opposite, opposite. Boom. Super easy. You can even do it from the top and then unravel it, and it'll give you these same 2 sections. Untwisting in the opposite direction gives me 2 from the top, 2. Boom. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna leave it on for today. As the days go by, my hair grows, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now, because humidity will hit this bad boy. Okay, so yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed these tips for the perfect foolproof twist out, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do smash that subscribe button so you become part of the family, which is Surinamese for family. And don't forget, if you're really loyal, you're gonna become part of the notification squad, and you do that by ringing the little bell next to the subscribe button. Anyway, enough from me right now. I'm gonna leave you to have a beautiful day, but I'm not just gonna leave you lonely. I'm gonna give you another video. Here's another video that you can watch so you don't have to miss me too much in the meantime. And yeah, enjoy, have a wonderful day, get some stuff done, you know, go after your dreams. I hope you get enough love and compliments today. So yeah, have a beautiful day.